Okay, topic 3 is all about transformations, um, specifically rigid transformations. A rigid motion is a transformation that preserves length and angle measure. So basically, it means that the preimage and the image are going to be congruent. So if two different figures have the same length and the same angle measures, they're going to be congruent figures. So the question that they're asking us here is the transformation shown on the right here a rigid motion? So does it preserve the lengths of the sides and does it preserve the angle measures? And the answer here is going to be no. Okay, this one's definitely going to be a no. As we can see, the image, so the pre-image is what you start with, and then you go to the image. So if we're starting with the pre-image here, that's obviously much bigger than our image. So the transformation here is going to be, it's actually going to be a dilation, right, a contraction. So the pre-image is just going to simply get smaller. So the angle measures would stay the same, but clearly the lengths of the sides don't stay the same. They're getting smaller. So this would not be an example of a rigid transformation. I don't know why their first example is a no. Interesting that they would choose that. But this one would be a no. It's not a rigid transformation because it's not preserving the lengths of the sides. Right? So if we look at that transformation, the lengths of the sides is not preserved. So this would not be an example of a rigid transformation. Okay, if we look at what else they have, the triads. Now they want you to try these two, right? So in your workbook, are these two is the image a rigid transformation of the pre-image? And same thing for B.